Hello friends, in previous tutorial we saw a gallery of drawing and type tools. In this tutorial we will learn about gallery of transformation tools, free transform tool, rotate tool, scale tool, shear tool. Let's consist in gallery of transformation tools. Free transform tool. It is used to rotate, scale or shear an object. This is the example of free transfer tool where we can rotate, scale or shear an object. Rotate tool. It is used to rotate objects around a fixed point. This is the example of rotate tool where we can rotate an object around a fixed point. Scale tool. It is used to resize objects around a fixed point. This is the example of scale tool where we can resize objects around a fixed point. Shear tool. It is used to skew objects around a fixed point. This is the example of shear tool where we can skew objects around a fixed point. Now open Adobe InDesign software. Here we can use trial version, so click on continue trial, then press document, then press OK. First of all, we make a object. Here we draw a rectangle. Select a free transform tool. We can rotate a object. We can resize the object. We can easily move the object. Now select rotate tool. Select a midpoint. Then rotate the object. Now select scale tool. It is used to resize objects around a fixed point. Now select shear tool. It is used to skew objects around a fixed point. Thank you. In next tutorial, we will learn about gallery of modification and navigation tool.